we'll be having this very interactive session, so you can ask your questions here very freely. And our expert is having 12 plus years of experience in technical market, and he's like very good in this chart analysis also. So this is your chance to ask all your questions here. So over to you, sir. You can start now.
So thanks, Pooja. First, I will just need a confirmation that I am loud and clear and my screen is visible. Can somebody confirm?
Yeah.
So Pooja, can you confirm I'm audible?
Yeah, you are properly audible and your screen is visible.
Great,
No
great.
issue.
Okay. So thanks for inviting me to share whatever little I have understood about the markets based on my experience of more than a decade. So thanks, Pooja in Three Dots, for giving me this opportunity to share and address the queries of people who are having their holdings or who are stuck somewhere. So we will try to help them out in. We normally are conducting, most of the people who are following me on Twitter might be knowing that we are already conducting a session on Friday or Saturdays on Twitter Space normally. But मुझे हमेशा यही लगता था कि what I am trying to convey to you should make sense logically also. So on Twitter Space, we were not able to showcase the screen and tell you the logic behind it based on what we are sharing that inputs to you. So right now, this is the best opportunity for each one of us to ask your queries. You have to raise a hand. And once you raise a hand, I will allow you to speak. You can speak and you can share any query. Basically, I will say that, okay, it should not be any penny stock. We can limit it out to say Nifty 500 universe, or maybe to some extent, even small cap should do. But try to be, specific in your question, what you want, what is your time horizon, because we have already mentioned. तो मुझे लगता है कि it should not be any very ultra short term view should be sought from my end. So I will try to answer your queries based on your holdings, based on your time horizon. You need to tell me what is your time horizon for which you want to hold. Entry level आपका कहाँ है? And then accordingly we will say see the levels and all live on the charts. First thing. Second thing is I will try to explain certain very basic price action, kind of you can call them as nuggets or whatever. So that will help you to, at least do some sort of analysis on your end. So even though it is a vast ocean, nobody can say that, okay, we can master technical analysis for sure based on my limited experience in the markets. But मैं क्या बोलूंगा कि आप लोगों को सीखने का मौका मिलेगा, so try to utilize it to the maximum extent. So hopefully we will be taking the questions. So first, beforehand, I will ask you to, put your name and location from where you are speaking, and straight away you can ask your questions. So whosoever is interested can start it off. Raise the hand, we will allow you to speak. Share your question, and then we can take it from there. Over to you guys. Start shooting down the questions. So Mr. Galaxy S20, whatever, you have not mentioned your names. So go ahead. You have raised your hand. I've unmuted you. Can you go ahead and ask your question? Pooja, can you check it out? I'm not able to hear anybody.
What's the issue here?
No, people are raising their hands and I've unmuted them to ask their question, but they're not able to, I'm not able to hear anybody. So one guy, this Galaxy S20, I've unmuted. I'm not able to hear. Let's try with Mr. Ram. So Mr. Ram, you can go ahead. I have
Okay.
unmuted you. So please go ahead with your question.
Yeah, hi Nisi. So my question is, yeah, so this week, right, upcoming week, which sectors we can focus, and any potential stocks you suggest?
Okay, so that's a very nice question to start off with. So it will give you the crux of the markets. You have answered that, you have asked that question, which will definitely be, on minds of so many people. So we will keep it as like Hindish kind of stuff. So English and Hindi combination, so that each one of us can, feel easy to understand these things. So thanks, Mr. Ram. Let me jump into it. How to see that or how I do that. तो सबसे पहले अगर आप देखोगे आपको सेक्टर के लिए देखना है तो यू शुड बी हैंडी विद द सर्टेन 2 or 3 sector leaders names or very key prominent names in Nifty 50, Nifty 100 or Nifty 200 universe or to max Nifty 500 universe. So when you are start asking say sector, so see I will show you how you can identify the sectors, right? If you see, I'm going to open the chart of Thermex. So let it open. So if you see, I have opened a monthly chart. Are you guys able to see my screen?
Yeah, we can see.
Okay, fine. So are you able to see this monthly chart? See, it is giving you a multi-year breakout. If you see this, the channel I have already drawn, and there was a flag pattern which broke out finally. And later on, we saw a huge monthly candle last month. And now if you see in the current month, it has already retested also. So this is your just one stock. How you can yourself identify the sectors is what I'm trying to convey here. Uske baad, if you see, now if you can see ABB, right? I posted actually these charts so I remember all those. I normally see 400 to 500 charts on a daily basis. So some of these are by heart to me, the levels and everything. So अभी आप देखोगे इसमें, तो again you are seeing the same thing, ABB. So ABB is also giving you a multi-year breakout. मतलब 14 13 साल के breakout आपको अब देखने को मिल रहे हैं, right? Now if I take you to the same thing into Siemens chart, say for example. So if you see, Siemens is again giving you a multi-year breakout. So what it signifies is कि ये सारे जो stocks हैं ये capital goods sector के. If you go to BSE capital goods sector, you will find all these names. So अगर ये सारे stocks parallel या leading stocks है जो कि prominent stocks हैं sector के, वो सारे अगर multi-year highs बना रहे हैं तो मतलब something is happening in this sector. So what you will come to know is that smart money is now chasing this. You, me, or anybody else in the retail side will not be able to push these markets or these particular price levels to multi-year highs. So it will be like people who are already, your mutual funds, your institutional investors, your FIIs, whatever you name you call them by, वो जो स्मार्ट मनी है दैट हैज स्टार्टेड चेजिंग दीज थिंग्स. और ये मल्टी ईयर ब्रेकआउट हो रहा है तो इट इज नॉट फॉर से मल्टी ईयर ब्रेकआउट्स मींस इफ 14 ईयर का ब्रेकआउट हो रहा है तो इट इज नॉट लाइक इट इज गोइंग टू एंड इन से 5 months 4 months 3 months for some days. It is going to stay. The trend has been changing and it is now going to continue for a longer duration. So you have to be, and this is a monthly chart जो मैं अब दिखा रहा हूँ आपको, ये सब मंथली चार्ट है. So based on this, if you plan any entry or trade for yourself, you have to stay rest assured that वहां पे दिनों में चीजें नहीं होंगी आपकी. So it will be definitely for weeks, it might be for months. The trend is going to last for a longer duration. So even if you see, so this is a very key thing to identify. आपको sectors के stocks पता होने चाहिए जो कि basically performing stocks होने. So simply let's go by power sector now. Let me try to show you what is happening in power sector. अगर आप power sector देख रहे हो तो right now it is showing you that these were the key resistance levels from multi years. Yeah, I've already published it some time back, right? So that is how it is working out. I've already published it. So what I'm trying to say is you have to be aware of what is happening in these prominent stocks, and then you align it with the sector index, if at all it is there. Just like say chemicals, you will not find any chemical sector. So you have to be knowing that what is happening in all the stocks within the sector, specifically leading one. So on verge of fresh breakout of 13 years is what I have posted, I think few months back. And now if you see, I will show you how it is working out. See Torrent Power. On a monthly, I am showing you. See, is the similar thing happening there? What index is telling us? You have seen the same thing happening in the Tata Power. You are seeing the same thing, right? You are seeing same thing in the, you know, lower pyramid of the sector. So Mr. Ram, are you getting that how easy it is to, you know, if you are sincere in your small efforts or you just want to do it yourself, you don't require anybody else to tell you how to identify. Only thing is your small homework is basically required.
Any indicators I
I am purely
understand support
no,
is
I'm purely a fan of price action. I
okay.
only just require indicators on my chart, and that too also very minimal, just to get that confirmation. Whatever I am, you know, getting to see from the charts, whether that interpretation is correct or not, I should not be biased towards particular, you know, direction. Just to confirm that I use, otherwise I definitely, I use naked price action to convey me what is
If
happening.
RSI reaches 80, 85, we definitely have to exit the trade or
That is a separate thing. Actually, that requires a lot of time to explain, and there are multiple things. So what I will say is let's limit to this thing, and others are also there. So maybe others might have. So I have tried to explain you in a very layman terms that how easy is it to, you know. So you got your answer for, right?
yeah. So thanks so much.
So next in the queue, maybe let's see Mr. Amit is there. Okay. Go ahead, Mr. Amit. Come up with your question, please.
हेलो।
हेलो, बोलिए अमित जी।
अच्छा, जैसे कि आप लोग कैसे मालूम करते हैं कि ये कौन सा शेयर जैसा भी आपने कहा था कि प्राइस एक्शन के ऊपर आप देखते हो, तो ऐसे क्या आप देखते हो कि ये शेयर चल जाएगा या नहीं चलेगा, कैसे मालूम?
सर उसके लिए काफी सालों की मेहनत है, मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि एकदम से पता चल जाता है, बट द थिंग इज जितने भी निफ्टी 500 के स्टॉक्स है, मैं आपको जैसे पहले भी बोला हूँ कि मोस्टली आई नॉर्मली स्कैन 500 to 600 चार्ट्स मैनुअली ऑन अ डेली बेसिस।
नहीं, जैसे एक चार्ट लगाइए आप, महिंद्रा CIE, अगर आप एक जो हम लोग कुछ समझे हैं, अगर आप देखोगे कि वो भी एक अच्छा ब्रेकआउट दिया, पर वो चला ही नहीं।
सर वो ब्रेकआउट हमेशा फेल हो रहा है। अगर आप उसकी पास हिस्ट्री देखोगे, लेट मी शो यू, इफ यू हैव टेकन द नेम इन स्पेसिफिक, लेट मी शो यू। जो महिंद्रा सीआई का अगर आप देख रहे हो, इसका मल्टीपल टाइम्स फेल हुआ, कोई फर्स्ट टाइम नहीं है। देखिए ये इस टाइम पे, ये ऐसे क्रूशियल पॉइंट पे है, ये यहाँ पे देखिए, आप देख रहे हैं, आर यू एबल टू सी द स्क्रीन? सो दिस इज 313 के आसपास जो है, यहाँ तक आके और इस जोन में जो है, इसको यहाँ पे बहुत सप्लाई मिलती है हमेशा। सो यू शुड नॉट बी इन अ हरी। तभी मैं बोलता हूँ, मतलब माई बिलीव इज कि मंथली क्लोज देखो। मंथली क्लोज अगर आपकी रेजिस्टेंस से ऊपर होता है, देन ओनली ट्राई टू एंटर इन अ पुल बैक। डोंट बी इन अ हरी टू चेज कि क्या हो रहा है, और एक ही स्टॉक नहीं है पूरी दुनिया में। आपको वो श्योरिटी लेना है कि इट्स योर हार्ड एंड मनी, यू शुड नॉट ब्लॉक इट फॉर रॉन्ग रीजंस, or and else again become impatient if you enter also, it might be tested. So ये आपको देख के सर पता चल रहा है क्लियरली कि ये कोई भी एक ट्रेंडिंग स्टॉक नहीं है, काइंड ऑफ साइडवेज स्टॉक है। तो देयर इज नो पॉइंट टू थिंक अबाउट ट्रेडिंग इनटू इट, और अंटिल अनलेस जब तक ये रेजिस्टेंस या सप्लाई जोन नहीं निकलता, तो यू शुड नॉट बी इन अ हरी टू एंटर इनटू इट। ओके सर।
सर एक शेयर और HPL,
HPL
HPI इलेक्ट्रिक।
तो कोशिश कीजिए कि निफ्टी 500 यूनिवर्स रखेंगे तो दैट विल बी इजियर फॉर एवरीबॉडी टू।
ये मैंने माने जब ये IPO वगैरह हुआ था,
ओके,
मेरे को जहाँ तक याद है, मैं 140 या 240 में लिया था इससे।
नहीं सर, चार्ट आपके सामने है, आपको खुद बता रहा है कि ये डाउन ट्रेंड का स्टॉक है। तो इसमें कुछ भी अगर आपकी होल्डिंग है, पहली बात तो फिर वो वेट एंड होप उसमें अगर आप बैठे हैं तो एंट्री प्राइस क्या है सर आपका?
140
तो अभी आधे से भी आधे से भी नीचे चल रहा है, राइट?
को फिर ऐड किया था 62 रुपीज या 64 रुपीज में।
अभी ये देखिए कि 142 का, ये देखिए ये कितना, मतलब मंथली पे बता रहा हूँ तो 91 क्रॉस करना इसके लिए बहुत मुश्किल है ऑन मंथली चार्ट। जब मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ मतलब इतनी रेजिस्टेंस है यहाँ पे, तो 91 का जो है तो इट्स अ मोर ऑफ अ होप ट्रेड सर। आई विल बी ऑनेस्ट इन माय शेयर, ऐसा नहीं है। तो मेरा यही सजेशन रहेगा, अगर आपको अभी थोड़ा बहुत राइज दिख रहा है, सो अगर 90 के आसपास आता है तो मतलब 90 के आसपास आप वेट कर सकते हैं देखने के लिए कि अगर प्राइस एक्शन में कुछ चेंज होता है। एल्स इट विल बी लाइक इस ब्लॉक पैसे को यू कैन यूटिलाइज टू समवेयर एल्स वेयर द ट्रेंड इज क्लियर।
सर एक चीज मैं पूछता हूँ, जैसे अगर आप इसमें ट्रांजेक्शन अगर आप देखोगे, अगर मंथली बेसिस में ही पूछा जाए, तो ये अप्रोक्स इस लाइन पे ये जो ब्रेकआउट दिया था, दिख नहीं रहा है।
चार्ट इज देयर सर बिफोर योर आईज, यू कैन सी
ये
दैट एंड
आपको आया हुआ है, ये जो इसको क्या बोलते हैं, जो डिलीट वगैरह जो आते हैं ना, वो आया नहीं कि मैं आपको सीधे प्राइस ही बताता।
go ahead sir, what is your basically see what I can see from chart is what I am trying to convey you। अगर 90 के आसपास आपको देखने को मिलता है और वहां पे कुछ प्राइस एक्शन में चेंज नहीं ऑब्जर्व होता तो इट्स बेटर टू एग्जिट।
अच्छा,
अगर 90 के आसपास में आके आपको प्राइस एक्शन चेंज दिखता है, ये रेजिस्टेंस डेली पे अगर टूटती है, सो देन यू कैन से नेक्स्ट लेवल के लिए कुछ वेट किया जा सकता है। बट राइट नाउ इट इज अ होप ट्रेड टिल द टाइम 90 नहीं क्रॉस होता।
नहीं मैं सर आपसे एक चीज पूछ रहा हूँ, जैसे आप प्राइस एक्शन का बोल रहे हो, तो ये 60 रुपीज में आपको नहीं लगा कि ये प्राइस एक्शन का काम हुआ है?
सर प्राइस एक्शन ऐसा है कि प्राइस एक्शन अगर आप देखोगे तो ओवरऑल अभी जो है ये बुल टर्न चल रहा है, तो यू कैन नॉट से कि ये सस्टेनेबल है या कंसिस्टेंट है। और जैसे मैंने अभी बताया भी है कि पावर सेक्टर में मूवमेंट आ रहा है, तो इसलिए हो सकता है एवरी सिंगल स्टॉक विल वर्क। बट एज पर द चार्ट व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज चार्ट्स विल टेल यू व्हाट is happened in the past and what is likely to happen. They are not surety. So I will say that don't be biased. I am giving you an unbiased view. It's up to you how you want to take it. But 90 के आसपास एक बार ऑब्जर्व कीजिए, that is what I can say.
सर आप कोई भी अपने मनपसंद के एक प्राइस एक्शन का चार्ट दिखाइए जो हम लोग को समझ में आए कि कैसे किसी चीज को पकड़ें प्राइस
Sir,
एक्शन।
sir, sir, we will do it. We will do it. Rest others are also there, so let's give the chance to
थैंक यू
everybody.
सर, थैंक यू।
Thanks. So next in the question queue is, please raise your hand. I am getting certain questions in Q&A. I am not monitoring each one of them. Okay, so SBI cards, Mr. Kiran Bhatia. SBI चार्ट की तो बहुत धुनाई हुई है इस वीक। लेट्स सी। I think I've recently done some analysis also। बहुत ही मंथली सपोर्ट के आसपास में है, वीकली सपोर्ट पे, तो इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ बाइंग अपॉर्चुनिटी। बहुत ही लो रिस्क ट्रेड है। अगर आप वीकली चार्ट देखोगे, व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से हियर इज इस स्ट्रॉन्ग डिमांड जोन के आसपास है ये मंथली पे, और बहुत ही बढ़िया सेटअप है। अगर आप देखेंगे, आई हैव एनालाइज इट फॉर समबडी सम, तो लो रिस्क का सेटअप है। अगर आप ये देखोगे तो अभी जो इसको सपोर्ट मिला है वो यहाँ से इसकी प्रीवियस ब्रेकआउट जोन से मिला है। तो यहाँ से अगर अभी आपको 21 ईएमए का एक, ये मैं ईएमए सब हटा देता हूँ, जस्ट प्योरली प्राइस एक्शन। तो यहाँ से अगर आपको इस जोन से कहीं भी खरीदने को मिलता है 860 से लेके 930 के बीच में, so add everything in a staggered manner. Don't be in a hurry to add and chase it. Let it be in a very small tranches. Once you see the reversal on a lower time frame, you can add your quantity based on your appetite, risk appetite. So I cannot tell you कैसे buy करो, कहाँ buy करो. That will be lying, that decision will be lying with the individual person based on their risk appetite and everything. But zone बहुत अच्छे में आया है, अभी bounce का candidate है। और लो रिस्क का मतलब अगर आपका ये देखिए यहाँ से आपको कहीं पे भी मिलता है तो आपका रिस्क जो है वो बहुत छोटा रह जाता है. तो प्ले अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट बेस्ड ऑन योर रिस्क एपेटाइट. अदानी एंटरप्राइज नेक्स्ट इज अदानी. सो ये तो ब्रेकआउट का कैंडिडेट है, मतलब मोस्ट प्रोबेबली if the market, broader market is supportive, you will see this to be breaking out maybe this week only. तो ये देखिए, this is a weekly chart. So it is showing you a lot of consolidation around the resistance, the previous resistance. Right, so it is on a verge of breakout. But let it break out first. So ये consolidation के बाद एक बार breakout होने चाहिए, daily close होने चाहिए resistance के ऊपर. Then it will be a safe entry to plan on a pullback. Immediately don't try to jump in. These are very highly volatile stocks. So you can be stuck for longer duration to see the price at which you enter. So my view will be like it should be entered only once your resistance is crossed and you at least have a 1 or 2 days close on above the resistance. So that should be there. So Laurus Labs, I think Laurus का तो मैंने chart भी post किया था. Somebody can, I can share. I recently posted it maybe. I recently posted कि 450 का जो support zone था वो बहुत ही अच्छा था और वहीं से it has bounced back. Let's see the chart itself. Laurus fundamentally is a very good play. That is what I can say. They are trying to be present in very niche segments. But if at all it is a pure trade based question, so then I can say is immediately 530 के 550 के ऊपर का अगर close मिलता है 555 के ऊपर का on a weekly close, which is it is trying to consolidate nearby to the resistance, which is a good sign. So it's a kind of a long-term story fundamentally if you want to play rather than for short-term gains. So bounce जो आया है वो देखिए 450 I have already shared some time back on Twitter. So 450 is a very decent price range where you can, if at all you get in future also due to the turmoil in the market, तो best price section यहाँ पे आपको मिलेगा. और सबसे बढ़िया बात है आपका low risk रहेगा यहाँ पे. If at all it closes below this candle which you are seeing right now here, 420, 400 के आसपास में, so then it will be a very weak stock, so it can be planned accordingly. So next is your McDowell. McDowell I have been bullish upon. I have been sharing my view for a longer duration on Twitter. Maybe if at all you are not seeing the updates on the Twitter, you are asking these questions. Recently I have posted on United Spirits. The sector overall is very bullish. So right now it has done its retracement. So looking pretty good on the charts. First, your immediate target should be like 960 plus. And then you can see the all-time high, 1080 and more also. That is on United Spirits. Bharat Forge. See, auto sector overall is not showing you that sort of confidence. It is tried to break out. see this, currently it is choppy, but it has shown the reversal at the lower end of the range. So yet it has to cross its key levels. I will say, if at all you don't have a long-term view to hold this and have the patience, तो अभी इसको अवॉइड कीजिए, या तो फ्रेश ब्रेकआउट तक आने दीजिए, क्योंकि इट माइट टेक योर लॉट ऑफ टाइम. इट्स अ वीकली चार्ट जो मैं शो कर रहा हूँ. इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन इन डेज until unless some news flow is there. तो ऑटो सेक्टर में अगर ओवरऑल आपने देखना है तो योर ऑटो एंसिलरी स्टॉक्स आर dominating the bull run. There are a lot of without naming anything, I will say you can go ahead to auto ancillary space. So that will give you some decent returns in the short term also. All your building material stocks are definitely flavor of the season. Kajaria, Sera, but these are very slow movers. It's not for anybody who wants to trade these stocks. Kajaria has shown you reversal. It has not given a weekly close, which can be relied upon. Still, it's in its. So till the time 1200 plus daily close does not happen, it cannot be confirmed that the reversal has happened. It is showing the signs of reversal, but definitely volumes are also picking up. But let's wait for 1200 to cross, and then accordingly we can plan the positions. The credit excess is what I feel has given a kind of very strong reversal from the lower levels. It has seen, I have seen the chart 2 days back. On Friday, it has given you a very much volume push also. Nearly 13 times average daily volumes tha uska. Based on the volume and price action, reversal is strong. Lower levels pe demand अच्छा है. Even I have not opened the chart, I am trying to convey the same thing. तो एक डबल बॉटम पैटर्न भी दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. Round about here, something here. एक डबल बॉटम पैटर्न भी है. इसका मतलब है कि यहाँ पे एटलीस्ट शॉर्ट टर्म टू मीडियम टर्म का बॉटम तो लग रहा है कि यहाँ पे बन गया है. That can be taken as a support or a stop loss just below, besides it. Small amount of percentage below the support zone. पहला टारगेट आपको यहाँ पे यहाँ तक का देखने का मिल सकता है, and second might be this one, and third might be this one. But weekly chart है तो don't be in a hurry to see or anticipate something in short run. दिनों में हो सकता है, that is not denied. The way which the volume has picked up, the momentum is also there. So definitely it seems out to be a strong momentum trade. Bata, due to the IPO of Metro, so the entire sector is getting heated up. Bata, Relaxo, Mirza, all are giving you the strength. So Bata 2 has given you the reversal confirmation from the breakout retest. It has done the breakout retest. Immediately जो दिख रहा है वो is very nearby. अगर 2100 के ऊपर डेली क्लोज मिलता है then possibly long candidate बनता है. with a stop loss of a daily close candle. जिस दिन 2100 क्रॉस करता है उसका daily low can be kept as a stop loss. Reality sector अभी भी it's just trading nearby to its resistance zone, supply zone. So DLF, Oberoi, Godrej Properties can be the best picks in the sector personally for me. तो इसने जो है अभी तक ये जो ये वाली वीक की बुलिश कैंडल है इसका हाई अभी तक क्रॉस नहीं किया है, सो दैट कैन एक्ट एज अ इमीडिएट सप्लाई जोन। और काफी सारी विक्स है यहाँ पे, तो ये एक इमीडिएट सप्लाई जोन दिख रहा है 967 के ऊपर। तो एनी डे यू सी अ डेली क्लोज अबाउट 980, 990 और नियर बाय 2000, that can be taken as a perfect entry point. So Indiabulls real estate management changes happen, that is being reflected on the charts. You can see that if you are seeing it is consistently making a higher high and a higher low. Now the trend has changed fundamental news के basis पे, क्योंकि management change हुआ है. No more earlier promoters who were having a shady image are present now. So perfect, buy on dips candidate है फिलहाल. Till the time it is not diluting the structure, price structure, so it can be bought in a dip. Pidilite तो जो भी पूछ रहे हैं वो Pidilite Mr. Ram, it is a investment grade stock, great compounder है. So you don't have to even see the chart also. Pidilite, Asian Paint, ये सब जहाँ पे भी मिलते हैं अगर support के आसपास, you can blindly go and buy them, provided you have a patience, because these are not your metal stocks or all highly beta stocks के movement बहुत अच्छा मिलेगा immediate short term में. You can see how good and how beautifully it has bounced from these levels. What next is required for these stocks? Brilliant support के आस see no indicator, nothing. यहाँ से देखो कितनी बारी support के पास से it has bounced, and see right now what it has done. It was the best time to do pyramiding at this level. अगर आपके पास already है, so you could have done pyramiding and it would have been a better option. नहीं है तो then you can start on these kind of falls. Recall जो है that is again a multi-year breakout के पास में है. So recall, that is what I am saying, and auto ancillary space is very good at these point in times. Most of these stocks are giving you the good breakouts, which your primary index auto stocks are nowhere near to see. Because we have been putting so much of efforts and time, most of the charts without seeing, I can tell you, without the chart getting open, I will be able to see what is happening in the chart. So see, again, it's a round bottom pattern, or in case it is consolidating near the resistance of since when? December 17. So 4 years का breakout मिल रहा है इसमें. ये monthly close होने दो इसका. Monthly close के बाद if you get any chance to upward back, targets will be very high from here. It can be a doubler also. So then is Deepak Nitrite. केमिकल्स का जो है फंडामेंटल न्यूज ऐसा रहा है कि रॉ मटेरियल कॉस्ट बढ़ा है, मार्जिन्स के ऊपर प्रेशर है, तो यू आर सीइंग सम सॉर्ट ऑफ कूलिंग ऑफ. तो दीपक नाइट्राइट भी ओवरऑल ट्रेंड के साथ में प्राइमरी ट्रेंड इज पॉजिटिव, एनी करेक्शन इज अ बाय ऑन डिप। और जिस तरह से ओवरऑल ब्रॉडर मार्केट है, यू शुड नॉट बी इन अ हरी टू ऐड एवरीथिंग ऑन अ सिंगल सेंस। स्टैगर्ड वे में आराम से जहाँ पे भी सपोर्ट मिल रहा है, यू कीप ऑन एक्यूमुलेटिंग दोज थिंग्स। यहाँ पे बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी था लेने का। देन अगर यहाँ से ये वाला ब्रेकआउट अब होता है तो देन अगेन इट विल बी अ बेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी यहाँ से ऊपर पिरामिड करने के लिए। स्पेशलिटी केमिकल इज अ वेरी डाउन ट्रेंड का स्टॉक है, सो देयर इज नो पॉइंट इन इवन सीइंग द चार्ट। यस, ओवरऑल क्यूएसआर में भी काफी चेंजेस हो रहे हैं। क्यूएसआर सेक्टर में चार्ट्स जो बता रहे हैं, देवयानी, जुबिलेंट फूडवर्ड। So if you go through our post on the Twitter, then you will see most of these stocks I have already discussed in one way or other way in the recent past also. तो ये जो है एक अपना इमीडिएट नियर बाय रेजिस्टेंस के आसपास में है ड्यू टू द ओवरऑल सेक्टर टेलविंड इन द क्यूएसआर। ये जोन जब तक क्रॉस नहीं होता 110 टू 125 का, सो वेट टू ऐड और वेट टू एक्यूमुलेट। एनीथिंग अबव 125 के ऊपर जब निकलता है तो देन इट कैन बी थॉट अबाउट। अभी तो जो है इट इज कंसोलिडेटिंग। Let this range of supply zone be crossed and then you can see. India Bulls I have already covered. सर इतने हाई बीटा स्टॉक्स में लोग व्यूज पूछते हैं बीईपीएल, साली एंड योर आइनियस कॉम्पिटिटर। ये हाईली वोलेटाइल स्टॉक्स है, इसमें व्यू देना इज लाइक वेरी डिफिकल्ट। देयर आर मल्टीपल गुड स्टोरीज, स्टॉक्स, consistent compounders. I don't know why we have this tendency to go into these high volatile, high beta stocks. ठीक है, इतना गिरने के बाद now it has started recovery due to the bull run. तो की सपोर्ट से नीचे है अभी, जो कि काफी बारी सपोर्ट लिया है, बट रिवर्सल दिख रहा है यहाँ से। So till the time 180 is 85, I will say 196, that is what is marked here is a key resistance. 200 के ऊपर you can think about it. 200 तक कैसा रहेगा, nobody can say from the charts how it is, and it's a weekly chart, तो कितना टाइम लगेगा, how it is gonna span out. So there should be not be any hurry to see that jump करना है और इसको लेना है. You might get stuck for a decent amount of time also. So nobody can anticipate that, but I will say try to be with the good stocks where the story you know at least fundamentally, where bounce is imminent whenever there is a slight correction and all that. So mostly I have tried to address all those. Remaining last maybe 2 or 3 questions we can take it up. Tasty bites. Tasty bite has distorted price structure. It's in a very crucial zone. So ultimately, if at all 13,000 is breached, so automatically it has distorted the price structure. So right now it has changed the trend actually, as per the charts. So let's wait for the trend to resume in the original direction. Right now it is in a downtrend. I think 50 would have, yeah, it's in a perfect downtrend. So there is no point in hurry to add at this point in time. Technically, I am saying. Fundamentally, I know it is a good story. Technically, what I am trying to say is, it's in a downtrend. It has given confirmation of distortion in the price structure to multiple parameters as per the charts, what I can see right now. So Tasty Bites is done. Last two questions, please. Last two questions, please. If anybody has any. Nalco. Metal sector is showing you some sort of bounce. Oh, the basic thing is sector has given you a multi-year breakout. So ऐसा नहीं है कि sector can be written off. But the way it has run, this is what you have observed as a shakeout. नैल्को का अगर देख रहे हैं आप तो नैल्को इज इन अ वेरी it has shown the reversal from lower levels, but अभी जो है की सप्लाई जोन के आसपास आ रहा है. Till the time it closes above 110 on a daily closing basis, fresh entry should be avoided. Under 10 के ऊपर close होता तो then it can see its recent swing high of 128, 129 and further up also. Trend is overall up, but right now it is consolidating near to the resistance, which is a good sign, indicating that up move can happen, but at the same time it can reverse from the resistance supply zone. So 110 के ऊपर close होने दीजिए, then you can see. तो किरण जी पीएनबी जो है दैट इज अ होप स्टोरी एज पर द चार्ट. पीएसयू के चार्ट्स काफी अच्छे हैं पीएसयू बैंक्स में, बट आई विल से उसमें भी अगर इफ यू वांट टू गो विद एनी पीएसयू बैंक देन इट शुड बी either SBI the leader, or then it can be like Canara Bank is also showing you a very good structure. I will show you. Don't go where there is more of a hope and less of a, it can be high beta one. So stay with the leader, even if you are trading, even if you are investing. Stay with the SBI or Canara Bank. Canara Bank, if you can see by yourself, the chart is very good. And also it has been also near to the long multi-year breakout, which is very much nearby. I see it to be, giving you, see, I've already seen it. So it has taken the support from the trend line also. So see Canara Bank or SBI. SBI भी बहुत अच्छा price structure है. But don't go for the things where there is much of the hope. SBI is also moving in a channel, rising channel. वहीं से सपोर्ट लेके गया, तो इसमें जो है आपको अभी दिखेगा 600 550, तो इमीडिएटली शॉर्ट टर्म में दिखेगा 550, तो जो प्रीवियस हाई है स्विंग हाई 600 तक भी यू कैन सी इन मीडियम टर्म. Maybe we can have final questions. I think then we should be good to go. I have tried to take most of the queries. So निफ्टी के बारे में फाइनल क्वेश्चन है, निफ्टी के बारे में, सेल ऑन राइज मार्केट. This is what I will reiterate जो मैंने initially start में बोला था कि see if at all these kind of breakouts are happening which after a multi years they should be lasting for durations. They are not there for these kind of things happen just to shake out the weaker hands. जो लोग आते हैं 2 दिन में पैसे बन जाएंगे, 4 दिन में पैसे बन जाएंगे, वो जो चीज है ये वाली मार्केट वैसी हमेशा नहीं रहेगी. यहाँ पे जो है ट्रेंड थोड़ा सा इसने चेंज किया है बट वो एक काइंड ऑफ मोर ऑफ अ शेकआउट दिख रहा है. ओवरऑल ट्रेंड जो है देखिए वीकली चार्ट पे मैं दिखा रहा हूँ तो इट इज अप ओनली. सो देयर इज नथिंग टू बी थिंकिंग ऑन सेल ऑन राइज स्टफ. बट बीच में अगर आप शॉर्ट टर्म व्यू के साथ इंट्राडे और बीटीएसटी करते देन आई एम नॉट द करेक्ट पर्सन टू टेल यू. बट इफ यू आर अ पोजिशनल और अ स्विंग ट्रेडर आल्सो सो दिस इज द टाइम यू नो. बट आजकल जिस तरह से चॉपी मार्केट है, डोंट बी इन अ हरी टू पंच योर ऑर्डर्स टिल द टाइम you understand your risk appetite. So what will happen is your stop losses will be hunted on both the sides. So to a trader, what I will say is be cautious with your position sizing at this point in time. And later on, once the market gets trending in either of the direction, then you can, plan your position sizing according to your risk appetite, maybe increase it. So entry and exit for Polyplex. Polyplex तो जी उसका भी breakout है. I have shared that same chart also Polyplex का. We say that you can go to Twitter and also recently you can search for the Polyplex. Everything is available. These names I remember by heart because I have been doing it. The charts view every day for nearly 400 to 500 businesses. So Polyplex, see, that is what I have told earlier. November 30th, I have given you this view when the price was 1871. Looking stronger charts, made a double rounding bottom. So kept in watch list. Fresh breakout होगा 1980 के ऊपर. With proper levels I have shared it. 1900 से 1900 के बीच में 80 के बीच में सप्लाई जोन था. जैसे ही 1980 के ऊपर क्लोज देगा, you can plan your entry. And I have given the same update also above it. तो Polyplex का देखिए तो 2001 का जब क्लोज हुआ है. So now as per pattern target, probable milestone of 2200, ये तो बहुत जल्दी शॉर्ट टर्म में देखने को मिलेंगे. So please put your sincere small efforts. You will see everything on the charts. Go to Twitter, you will find most of the answers of your questions. Now again, questions have started pouring in. Polyplex is done. I think then it's good. We are good to wind up this session. Maybe you find it, you will find some value add in this session for yourself. So you can share your feedback on this session at the Twitter handle of Niveshak Bharat. You might be knowing it by now. This is our Twitter handle. And you can share your feedback here regarding the session or what else you will like in the future to be discussed. We will see and we will Based on the time constraint, we will see if at all it is possible. M&M Finance is a downtrend stock. Why we want to go? And if you want to be in the NBFC space also, go with your Bajaj Finance, your Chola Finance and all that. Why we want only these L&T Finance, M&M Finance, and all sort of these names? It's trying for us pull back, but it again. So recently, if you still have that urge to enter only into this thing, so 140 से 150 के बीच में अगर मिलता है, so it should be a very low, stop loss का setup. 140 से 150 के बीच में मिलता है, तो you can keep this 130 के आसपास का stop loss. And based on this range, you can see get 200, 190 के आसपास, it can see in few months. Thank you, Sanjay ji. Thank you so much. I will request your feedbacks to be shared on the Twitter handle so that we will come to know how it has helped you and what is the next what you are looking out for. So thank you all. Thank you so much. Let's close this session right now. So Pooja, are you there? I think we are good to go. Let's wrap this session for this time. Maybe if we have more participation going forward, we will plan for such sessions in the future as well. Thank you so much all. Thanks for your time.